Machakaire in trouble for choosing Geza over Mnangagwa. Sanabina mashoko ataona kuti aiwa kunoona Machakaire panguva ino vopinzwa busy nekuda kwekusapota aiwa Bomusho Geza aiwa instead aiwa yekusapota the Zimbabwe leader Emmerson Mnangagwa unoti wasubscribe walike turn the bell icon. Tipina panapa muZimbabwe danyoka muchinzi. A man from Inyati Alfred Gonzache Machakaire is languishing in prison for close to a month after he was arrested in February and detained for allegedly passing on some unpalatable comments against President Emmerson Mnangagwa and at the same time praising Blessed Rune Sugeza, an erstwhile lieutenant of the country's leader. Machakaire, 34, who resides in Go village under Chief Makoni in Inyati, in Makoni district in Manicaland province, has spent 24 days in both police cells and at Richape prison in Manicaland province, after he was arrested on 24 February 2025 by Zimbabwe Republic police officers who charged him with undermining authority of or insulting President Mnangagwa as defined in section 33(2)(ab of the criminal law. According to prosecutors, Machakaire undermined authority of and insulted President Mnangagwa when he was involved in a verbal altercation with Leonard Chidemo, the ruling ZANU-PF party political party councillor for Ward 5 in Makoni North constituency in Makoni district in Manicaland, who was drinking beer at Mugadza Bottle Store at Runyange Business Center in Chidambuya, where he allegedly asked Chidemo to buy him some beer. According to prosecutors, Machakaire acted unlawfully when he allegedly uttered the insulting words and also praised Geza, a veteran of the Liberation War and a ZANU-PF political party central committee member who was recently expelled from the ruling party. Machakaire is one of the several people who have been arrested and prosecuted across Zimbabwe for allegedly undermining authority of or insulting President Mnangagwa. Tomasvika muda panguva ino tiona kuti aiwa Machakaire ova arrested pamusoro pekusapota Geza instead yemutungamiri wenyika nekuinsulta mutungamiri wenyika. Tudze mafungiro embo tudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Kuna comment section medu, subscribe, like, turn on the bell icon.